Hi viewers, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we will write a simple program that converts one given data type to another using auto conversion and typecasting takes the values from the input. So to take the value from the input, we have seen the last video, like we need scanf, right? So in this auto conversion is nothing but integer value and float value. Will take two values and then we'll combine it. For example, integer 2 and float 2.5. So if we add that, so we need to get 4.5, something like that. We'll check, and that is nothing but a double. We'll store it in a double value. And next would be an explicit conversion, so where we will explicitly take the float value and make it as an integer, or we can take any character of the keyboard and we'll convert it into an integer ASCII value. Okay, so without wasting time, let's check the what we call our screen where we go for the practical. So here you go with tutorials point. Okay, as I informed, we need an integer, we need float, and we need a character. So let us take an integer as an I, float as an F, character as an C. Okay, great. Now, as I told you, we will take the values from the input. So we'll write printf, enter the value of A. Now we'll scan it. We'll scan the integer as D, versatile D, and that would be I. We'll store it in an I, store I. Okay, then similarly we'll take a float value. For float we'll have F, and here you go with F, and here you go with an F. Then what we'll do, we'll take the value of character. So C is nothing but a character, so this is your character. Now what we'll do, we will take a double, and what we'll do, we'll add this integer value plus float value. Now let us print the double value. Okay, for printing double, what we'll do, we need to write %2lf comma t. Okay, that's what is double. Let's see, let's execute it. Here it is asking for enter a value of A. We'll enter as 2 and value of float 2.5. So here you go with the double. See, you got 2, 1 plus 2, 4.5. That's what the double works. Though this is known as an automatic value, as here auto conversion, which was. Now we'll use an explicit conversion. We'll convert a float value to an integer, and as usual character as an ASCII. Float to an integer, right? So what we'll need to do is, here we have simple F value, right? We'll take one more int saying like F float to int, and that should be typecast int as in the float value. So now we will print F, will go edit float to int is %d comma F2i. That's what it is, right? And one more, a character we have taken, will convert into ASCII value, right? That is also an int, ASII, ASCII value of, how we will do, we'll convert int for a character C. So basically, explicitly, by using int, as I told you, we use this word before the assignment. ASCII value is also same thing. We'll convert the ASCII value of character. We are converting the float value and character value. So write char to int. Okay, so that is what ASCII. Now here you go, value of C. It's not been taken. Fine. Now we'll have what we call new line basically for every output, and also at the last input, to accept the character we need to add a space and just execute it. So that's all. So here we will just enter the value of A as 2 and B as 2.5, and character will give you a small a. So you can able to see the results and the ASCII value of A. If you Google it, you can check that the value is matched. So that's all for today's video. Hope you have liked this video. Please hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Thank you.